Don't want you to die, Richard. Oh, hey, goose was free. Oh, you gotta go outside? Oh, okay, let me go check. Oh, hey, what are you doing? Look to my mailbox.
Got your
Hey, yeah,
mail.
get out of here. Get out of here. What you doing? Whatever. Well, Tanner can't go outside. Where'd I leave my TV remote? Oh, wait. My smart TV, or my TV has a on button. Oh, okay, it's on. Okay, let's watch some TV. Breaking news! There's a tornado! A very powerful tornado! EF5! Oh, you guys need to get in your basements! Oh, it's in the building! Oh my gosh, another tornado. I gotta go check outside. Uh-oh, it's getting kind of cloudy. That's not a good omen. Uh-oh. I think I'm just gonna go inside and watch some YouTube videos on my computer. Yeah, seems like a good idea. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Alright, that's enough YouTube for today. Oh crap, it's raining? What? Oh, what the? Oh yeah, you gotta go outside. Alright, okay, I'll take you outside. Okay, come on, let's go. Alright. Oh crap, it's pouring. What? Tanner, hurry up, what you doing? Okay, okay, hurry up and go pee, alright? Hurry up. Come on, quit sniffing around. Go follow me. Bro. Alright, yeah, quit sniffing around. Hurry up. Man. Okay, you're gonna poop. Alright. I'll just sit here. Oh, come on. It's pouring now. Are you done yet? Oh, man. Oh, finally. Oh, crap. I'm picking that up. Oh, my gosh. It's pouring. We need to get inside. Hurry up. Come on. I can't hear what you doing. Come on. Not over me. What you doing? Come on. I'm just gonna go take a nap. Whoa! Holy cow! Alright, we're getting in the shelter. Come on, Tanner. Hurry up. Get outside. Holy cow. Oh, we need to get down there. Holy cow. Come on, Tanner. I didn't think the tornado would come over here. What you doing? Come on. Close the shelter. Oh, crap. Okay. Holy cow. Alright. It's definitely here. Hey. Come on, get down here. Get all the way down. Holy cow. This is intense. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know if I have my phone on me. Oh crap. Power just went out. Holy cow. Alright, I'm just gonna go take a nap and wait for the storm. Holy cow. Oh man, that was a good nap. Oh, you're still here, Tanner. Alright, and make sure you're safe. Alright, let me go check out. So, holy cow. Dude, the power lies down. Holy cow. Oh, my house. Holy cow. Oh, holy cow, the house. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, okay, there's my phone. Alright, I need to contact someone. Hey, is this Gabriel? Yeah. Richard died. What? Richard's dead? No! Are you telling the truth? Yeah. No! He was such a good man. No! Richard's dead? No! I'm just gonna cry myself to sleep.